IT operation is a difficult task to accomplish, and even a tiny event can seriously affect the whole network. When there is an anomaly, IT administrators have to check every device in the environment to find out the root cause. Does any device break? Is the bandwidth used up by a user? Or are there any security problems? The debugging process takes enormous efforts and time. However, it is seldom solved perfectly and immediately. As a result, building an intelligent operation system that can correlate all network data and security event records, and do monitoring and analysis to help administrators manage devices and understand events and traffic, helps accelerate the process. This video illustrates how intelligent IT operation system, nReporter and nCloud help IT operation with hands-on operation, add network devices and servers into device tree view. And when there is an abnormal device or interface, an alert icon will show on the right of it to notify user. Click it to view its information, like why the alert is triggered, and so on. Managers can close it manually, or when the time is up, the system will do auto recovery. With device tree view, no matter how many devices are in the environment, users can fully understand device status at one glance, besides showing all devices in device tree view. nReporter and nCloud also have topology to show connection among devices in a smaller area. Move the cursor to any device in it to check its hardware status and traffic chart. Users can also upload a plan of the environment as its background and put each device in their actual place. As Wi-Fi being widely used, many environments now need lots of AP to go on the internet. By collecting data from wireless controllers, nReporter and nCloud show detailed data of AP in AP status, such as IP, MAC, status, current online number, etc. for management. When there is anomaly, the primary mission is to react in real time to prevent it from spreading. nReporter and nCloud have built-in reports in threshold filter to monitor all events that may cause damage, and they will send alerts when the threshold is exceeded. Also, triggered alerts will be listed in threshold filter abnormal alert. The examples here are hit count of loop and configuration file modified over threshold value. Click the time spot in the chart to view event details, including loop happened on which device, which user modified the configuration file, and how many times they happened. Besides built-in reports, IT administrators can set report criteria as preference, monitoring logs with particular keywords or specific traffic. Besides device health and events monitoring, one of the most powerful functions of nReporter and nCloud is traffic analyzing. Every flowchart has drill down function. Click any time spot and enter criteria, and the system will analyze and make a traffic top-end report. Click it to view detailed traffic information, including IP, traffic amount, username and location, destination country and IP, the service of it, and so on. When abnormal flow bursting is detected with intelligent analysis by clicking the alert, users can locate the source causing the anomaly, and then take the next step, collaborative defense, to stop it from spreading. What is more, top-end reports made by nReporter and nCloud have drill-down function. Users can query each item's details and switch between syslog and flow to search in either data for the events of IP with the highest traffic. For example, in most environments, NAT is used to transfer public and private IP. Send NAT logs to nReporter or nCloud, and when the system detects abnormal traffic caused by a public IP, it can easily find out which private IP corresponds to this public IP. nReporter and nCloud have all kinds of built-in reports and user-friendly interface for IT administrators to set dashboards as need. Dashboards show information about device, event, and traffic in real time. Put them in a security operation center to gain comprehensive understanding of every change. This is today's introduction. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a message below or contact us. Follow us on Facebook and join us online to get the latest news. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. See you next time.